In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix the Verizon outage on your phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might not be getting any signal or, be able to use your mobile data at all, regardless of whatever phone you have, and that could be really annoying. So what you want to do is go ahead over to your settings application, and then what you want to do is scroll down until you're in mobile service. You don't have to have mobile data on, just go to your SIMs and select your Verizon phone number. So I'm going to select this one right now, and just where it says turn on this line, go ahead and disable it and then re-enable it to see if that works. Now, the second thing I want you to go ahead and do is go over to your browser of choice. So for this one, we're going to be using Google Chrome. And then once you're in Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using, all you want to go ahead and do is type in Verizon down like so, and then you just want to go ahead and check if their servers are down. And basically in this instance, Verizon is actually down in all of the US. It's been like this for about a day now, and unfortunately there is no fix to it. You're just going to have to wait until Verizon fix their issues and fix their servers, and then everything will automatically turn on. What you can also do is go to downdetector.com, and then what you're going to see is Verizon outages. As you can see, there was a massive spike with over 177,000 people reporting the outages in the last 24 hours. You can see exactly when it hit as well. So basically, just go ahead, and you might have to wait a few hours for it to fix. Maybe by tomorrow morning, it should be good. And just keep checking Down Detector to see if there's any issues. If it's still down tomorrow, what you could also do is contact Verizon via a phone number and see what the issue is and how long it might take to fix, because it would just vary depending on what state you're in. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe, and let us know down in the comments below if you found any fix or if you need any help, and we'll reply in the comments. But anyways, thank you for watching.